Hey everyone, so this is a 2015 Ford Explorer. This is a 5th gen. This video will probably apply for all 2011 through 2019 Explorers, I believe. So I got the Desert Does It seat jackers. I'm using it for a slightly different application than what it was meant for. Generally, I think people want to raise the angle and the height of the front of the seat. In my case, I'm trying to overcome some dead foam back in here, and I want to raise that instead of the front. So I contacted Desert Does It. They said it'll probably work. Give it a shot, and it does work. So you do have to loosen these two 13 millimeter bolts. There's one there. You just pop the plastic cover off. That came off really easy on mine. I didn't need a trim tool or anything. A little flathead just popped it off without, gumming up the... And then the other one is over there. But once you've loosened those, you can push on the seat back and obviously you have to extract the original 13 millimeter bolts as well. But once you've done that, you can push on the seat back and get the new longer bolts in. And these guys are 15 millimeters. It did take a little bit of finagling because, as you can see, the 15 millimeter head and that washer there, it's a little bit wider than the rail here. So you have to kind of work with it a little bit to get that to line up, and you can see the difference in the sizes there. But there are the jackers. You can see I've got the angle sloping towards the front of the vehicle, and the two spacers combined, I believe it is 3/4 of an inch in total, and I think they say 1.5 degrees of lift. And man, it really makes a huge difference. I was so skeptical because I was like, 3/4 of an inch, what's that gonna do? But it makes a huge difference. I was actually thinking about trading this because of the issue with the seat. If you have back problems, you need to get that seat as flat as you can. I had some herniated discs corrected a couple of years ago, and it was just murder on my back with a feeling of sinking in and not being able to get the seat high enough. So this is great. It's fantastic. So you put those 15 millimeter bolts in. You do have to torque it down to 27 foot-pounds, and that's it. It's a super easy install. The hardest part was just getting the wider than stock bolt head in there and getting it to line up with the original threads. But no big deal. Well worth the money. I'm happy I spent the money on the real thing instead of getting some knockoff or something, because it's a really premium product. They give you everything, the Loctite to apply to the new bolts. It comes in really nice packaging and everything, the instructions. Yeah, I've got full confidence that this is a safe install, and yeah, great stuff here.